breath and let it out. And then it down just a little bit. And again. One more time. If you're nothing was free.